Let's see the working of this multi-step WhatsApp chatbot. So here I am going to enter this message that is hello. And this message is going to initiate my amazing WhatsApp chatbot, which is going to perform multiple tasks, whether it's saving the data to the Google Sheet, answering the customer queries, or helping them to know about the services or book the services. So right here I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is our services and ask questions. So here I will be selecting this first button, that is our services, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the services provided by this particular business. So now let's open this list, and right here we are getting some of the services. So here I will be selecting this service, that is SEO services, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my business name. So here I'm going to enter it as XYZ, and as I have provided my business name, it is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, it is asking me to enter my email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to just enter it, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting this confirmation message. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving all these details over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as Digital Dynamics Data, where you can see that I'm getting all the details consisting the same service which I have just selected, that is SEO services, their full name, the business name, and the email address which I have just entered over my WhatsApp. So now you can see that this WhatsApp chatbot is saving the data to the Google Sheet. Now let's move on forward and see the next step of this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that I'm going to select this button, that is ask questions, and as I have selected it, I'm getting this message. Now here we are going to enter a random question, and we will see whether we get the answer of that particular question according to this business or not. So now let's enter our question over here. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do you create content and add creatives? Now let's wait. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, can you help generate leads for my business? Now let's wait for the response. So now you can see that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm getting the answer of my all random questions. And here we are getting the answer of this particular question which we have recently asked. So now you can see the another step of this WhatsApp chatbot, which is generating or providing all the answers to my customer queries. And it is doing so because I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button. So now you can see how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot is, which is helping my customers to get about all the services, and they can book the services, and the data is saved to the Google Sheet, and by using it they are getting the answer of all their queries. So now you can see how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot is, which is performing multiple tasks. And now this chatbot is going to automate all the manual conversation between you and your customers. So now let's see how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to help you to save up a lot of your time. So now let me show you how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot and grow your business with us. So right here I'm on the flow page where I have already created this WhatsApp chatbot. And now for accessing this flow page, you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where Don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And for learning the entire process, you can check the video given on the description. And we are getting these messages and actions block by using which we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can think them as the main building block. And here we already get this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the logic sent by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, and many more. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated my WhatsApp chatbot, and this is the keyword which I have entered. Now, if a user sends me a message, I have to send them a welcome message by using the text button node given over the actions block. And you can either drag or drop and get this text button node. And I have created both these buttons by simply selecting this add button. And now if my user selects this first button, that is our services, I have provided the list of the services offered by my business. And you can get this list node over the message block too. And here I have added 3 items to my list, but you can add many more items to your list. And afterwards, I have provided contact custom field to each and every item of my list. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field service type will consist of the services selected by my user. And for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this contact custom fields, and you will be getting this contact custom fields page where you can create it by simply selecting this add more field button. And the next, I have entered this question by using this question node given over the actions block. So by using it, I have entered this question asking for the business name, and according to this question, I have selected my contact custom field and the format. And the next, I have entered this question asking for the name, email, address. And now here I have integrated this API request node. So here you can see that we are getting this API request node by using which I have connected my this particular flow with the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you can integrate different of applications. So here on my Pabbly Connect, I have already integrated both these applications, that is Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheet, so that as soon as I will receive a new message over my Pabbly Chatflow, the data will be saved to the Google Sheet. And here on my this application, I'm getting this webhook URL which I have entered over this API request node, and our connection has been built in. And here I have entered some of the parameters for which I'm saving the data, and according to these parameters, I have selected the contact custom field which will store the value provided by the user while interacting with this WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the way I'm going to save the data, and I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect which can be seen over here, and I have added this test data to the Google Sheets, and the data is saved over there. So this was the process for saving the data over the Google Sheet. And at last, I have entered this message or this confirmation message. And now let's proceed towards our second button, that is ask questions. So here I'm going to assign AI assistant. So here I have assigned AI assistant. So if you want to create this AI assistant, then you can create it by selecting it from the sidebar of the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. And here I have selected the AI assistant which I have already built in, and I want my AI to start with the welcome message. So here I have selected it, and this is the welcome message which will be sent to my lead after selecting this button, that is ask question. So this is the way you can create a multi-step WhatsApp chatbot which is going to perform multiple tasks, and not only these steps, by using which you can also send media to your customers. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and create this multi-step WhatsApp chatbot for automating each and every task of your business. So now you have seen how you can create this no coding WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box for your reference. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.